Guys, how are you? It's Cameron with Drive This, and I'm so very excited today to present to you, and we're going to take a little quick ride in this gorgeous 2018 Turbo S that we just took in on a trade. This car is a beast, so we're going to give it a little quick rundown. The Turbo S, as you know, is the top of the line on the 911 side, as long as you kind of put the GT cars off to the side, but just nothing but insane power out of this thing. So again, 2018, we just took it in on a trade. We're going to do a cold start so you can hear that, and just give her a little go, see what you think. It is being offered for sale. I'll find out the price for you. We just took it in. Certified. Car has 18,566 miles at the moment. I'm gonna take it for a little spin. Actually, I have a client, potential client out west that's interested in this car, so I'll shoot him over this video. And but yeah, if you happen to catch her quick enough, she might be yours. If not, just enjoy the car for what it is, an incredible piece of engineering. I'm going to take her out and see what she has to offer. So the 911s, the current 911 generation is 992. The prior was a 991. Came in two versions. You had the first gen 991.1 and then jumped into .2, which is what this is. The last year of which was 19. So this is an 18. There's no difference between the 18 and the 19. This car is insanely quick. And what always amazes me first and foremost in these cars is the fact that you can get into a car that has, I think this car produces about 580 horsepower, 563 pound-feet of torque or something crazy like that. Pulls 1.12 Gs on lateral acceleration and handling. I mean, the car just is glued to the road, but yet you can get into it, get your seating position super comfortable. If it's hot, turn on seat ventilation. If it's cold, turn on your seat heat. You got steering wheel heating in this car. You got all the creature comforts, yet you're literally driving essentially a race car. I mean, look at this thing. It's nuts. The power is insane, and I'm just in sport mode. So why do I love these cars? Because they're just phenomenal. It's literally like driving a race car that's street legal, but yet also incredibly comfortable. And guess what? Porsche's all-wheel drive system. We don't have snow on the road right now. You can see it around me if you're looking out the window, but you could be driving this snow in a few inches of, or driving this car in a few inches of snow, and it's still gonna fuck the road. Did you see that? Phenomenal. I mean, it's just the rocket ship. It really is. I can't say anything bad about this car. And what amazes me about Porsche's engineering is that they can take all of that power and deliver it to the road, and the PDK is, the dual clutch system is just so quick but yet so smooth that you don't even feel it. And that person totally blew that stop sign. I'm glad I was paying attention. It just changes gears like nobody's business. It's unbelievable. Love this car. So if you're looking for the perfect rocket ship but don't want to pay that initial, we're going to launch this thing right now actually. Let's do this. Seriously. We just hit 108 miles an hour. It's amazing. This car is just, do you hear those shifts? Quick, precise, but you don't feel the impact. You know it's shifting quickly because you can hear it shifting quickly, but it's just bam, bam. I love these cars. They're phenomenal. Seriously. Sometimes I get a little awestruck. And it's funny, I'm in these cars every day. I get to drive the coolest Porsches you can imagine. And I'm still just overwhelmed with emotion and joy when I'm in these things. That's what the Porsches are all about. You could look at 911 and look at one from the 60s or look at one from today's generation, and you can always tell that a 911 is 911, but every generation has its own unique characteristics. And the 991s, I think they've managed to couple the best of all worlds. You know, now you've got the 992, which I guess I'm not making a lot of sense because I really love the 992 too. I really don't know what to say. Bottom line, if you're looking for a rocket ship that originally cost this particular one, along with its certificate of authenticity here, this car MSRP'd, I believe, at $201,120. $201,120. My guess is we're gonna have this car priced somewhere around the mid to high 160s. 18,569 miles, certified. That price might seem a little high to you, but the reality of it is the Porsches, they don't depreciate like other cars. And guess what? There's not a lot of these cars on the market right now. There really isn't. The 992s at the moment, it's middle of February 2021, if you're watching this at some point down the road, and there's a 911 shortage. There are no allocations. All the 911s I have coming to our dealership are sold at the moment. I have one base and two C4 base builds that'll get probably filled at some point, but that's it. And it's on the pre-owned side, I've got this and two C4Ss. This is the only Turbo S. So these cars don't last. They come in and they go out, and it's just so much car. All right, so I'm trying something new. The last time I tried a steering wheel mount, I did it with a flip and it didn't work out so well. So we're gonna try it now on this other mount and see how, oh, see, I still didn't account for it. All right, I thought I put it on the steering column, the part that doesn't rotate, but clearly I put it on the steering wheel. I have to reevaluate this mount at the moment, because even though this isn't falling off, you're probably gonna get dizzy. All right, let's see if we can do this. All right, so I want to demonstrate launch control, and I want to show you just how quickly this car shifts and how quickly it gets up to speed. So launch control in a Porsche Sport Plus, left foot on the brake, mash it down, right foot accelerator, and then the car will let you know that launch control is ready and active. Release the brake, and away the car goes. Okay, nobody's coming behind us, so we're gonna hop right over here and launch this car. All right, guys, are you ready? So we're stopped. Left foot on the brake. It, guys. This car is it's just an amazing piece of machinery. That's all there is to it. Alright guys, I'm trying to sneak back over to the dealership real quick because, as we mentioned, I forgot to put a tag on this car. I was just so excited to get on the road, and probably not good to be ripping around non-track speeds at speeds slightly above the speed limit without a tag. I left it in the office. Hope you guys have enjoyed this. Again, just putting this together real quick to show you how amazing this car is. I mean, I don't even think I need to share that with you. I think it's pretty obvious. I think that if you're a statistics type person, the stats speak for themselves. If you're a kind of more of a drive from the heart, emotional type person, I think that just watching how responsive the car is and listening to it speaks for itself. I think if you're a, you know, look to the history, or, you know, I don't know, prestige isn't the right word, but kind of the essence or the heart or the soul, there are very few cars that have that legacy or that heritage that the 911 has. In fact, I cannot think of another sports car that's currently in production that offers that much of a historical birthright, so to speak, as the 911. So there you have it. I really think that regardless of what direction you're looking, the 911 Turbo is the car, and the Turbo S is the top end of that. I mean, she's a beast. I love this car. While we're here, I'm going to step out and share a couple other cars we've got on the lot at the moment that are currently available, along with one that just came in. And I'm on the fence about with the color. This particular color, I'm not even sure what it's called yet. It's a paint to sample. See what you think. Just came in. It's a cool color. Not sure what you would call it. Not usually a big brown color kind of guy. I apologize, it's super windy out. But I like it on this car. Got this R8, it's a V10. She's still available. That Targa 4 GTS is sold, so she's gone. That was a steal. That car went for $100,000. Had about 40,000 miles on it, but an absolute bargain. Here's our Turbo S again. Hi guys, the thing's still recording. And then I've got this, I think it's an 18 Cayman S. Well, this car only has about 7,000 miles on it, certified. So again, let me know. I'm trying to talk close to this thing so you can hear me, because the sound and the audio with the wind out here, hi guys, is probably not great. But thank you for watching again. If you haven't done so already, please do me a favor. Please hit the subscribe button. Please hit like, comment, and the bell that notifies you new videos that are coming. If you're interested in this car or any other cars, if you happen to be looking for something special that you might not see over here, let me know and we'll see what we can do about finding it for you. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great day. And again, it's Cameron.